Welcome to my honest and detailed review of the Peloton Fitness website. In this video, I'll be taking you through everything the platform offers, from its layout and user experience to its extensive range of workout classes. Peloton is a fitness brand known for combining technology with health, offering virtual classes led by expert instructors, alongside connected fitness devices like their bikes and treadmills. This website serves as the primary hub for users to access workout schedules, subscription information, and member perks. Right from the homepage, Peloton's design emphasizes its community-focused approach, with motivational banners and featured classes. Navigation is intuitive, with categories such as cycling, strength, yoga, and cardio clearly organized in a top menu. A standout feature of the site is the ability to filter classes by length, instructor, and difficulty, making it easy for users to find sessions tailored to their fitness goals. The subscription page outlines the pricing tiers for digital access and equipment-inclusive memberships. Peloton's pricing, while higher than many competitors, reflects the premium content and community-driven approach they emphasize. For those interested, there's also a free trial option for the app, which gives prospective users a chance to experience the content before committing. Exploring individual class pages reveals a wealth of details, from instructor bios to user ratings and reviews. This transparency helps users make informed decisions about their fitness journey. Additionally, Peloton highlights its global leaderboard feature, which allows members to compete and connect with others worldwide, fostering a sense of competition and camaraderie. The membership section showcases additional perks like exclusive events, merchandise discounts, and access to a vast library of on-demand and live classes. For those looking to invest in their fitness journey, Peloton also integrates financing options for equipment purchases directly through the site. While the site excels in usability and content depth, some drawbacks include occasional loading delays during peak usage times and the relatively high cost of entry, especially for users purchasing equipment. However, for serious fitness enthusiasts, the quality of content and the community-focused environment could justify the investment. If you're considering Peloton, this website walkthrough should give you a clear idea of what to expect. From class variety to membership details, Peloton offers a premium fitness platform aimed at transforming how you work out from home. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and smash that like button if you found this helpful.